What up, what up? Today we are busting out a little graffiti removal. On top of pressure washing and moving services and junk removal, we do graffiti removal. And we do it in some public arenas, but mainly HOAs, private communities, stuff of that nature. And today we're taking down some minimal vandalism, nothing too serious. Got my trusty water. Delicioso. We got people out running and jogging and so we're going to go from a softer brush to a slightly harder brush. This is great for concrete. Little goof off. Okay, there's something right there. Yeah, it looks like something some kids did. Who did it? I don't know. Probably some kid. You can see that. Who did it? Fuck, dude. Look at this shit. I need a new tool bag. This shit I've had since like 2008, back when I used to do HVAC. Let stand for 5 to 10 minutes, but I never let it sit usually that long. And this is kind of the last of it. And before anybody says anything about my Ryobi tools, I happen to love Ryobi a lot. And they're a lot more affordable, and they're just as consistent as, say, a DeWalt or any of those other top brands like Cobalt. Fuck all that shit. I like Ryobi. I love how this chemical discolors the cement. It just shows you how strong this shit is. Just fucking cake it. I'll find another spot. That looks like actual tagging. This shit's a little harder than expected, so this will be a first round. Yeah, this side came off a little easier. Give it another shot. Nice and windy. Santa Ana's keeping me nice and cool while setting the other part of the world on fire. Yeah, this little piece was a little more stubborn. It was almost like a different type of instrument was used. Maybe a marker, maybe a mean streak. Looks like the kind of paint that would be like on a crosswalk. This shit is really thick, really stubborn. Yeah, it's not gonna be perfect, but you can't even fucking see it now, so. Yep. And the second round is usually what does it. You just need to give the chemicals time to absorb into whatever surface you're trying to remove it from. This is all just playground plastic, and that over there was concrete.